Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make flan in Ramekins. Preheat your oven to a moderate temperature and set up a water bath for gentle cooking. Start by making a clear caramel that coats the ramekin bottom, then whisk eggs, milk, sugar, and vanilla until smooth without overbeating. Strain the mixture, pour carefully over caramel, and bake in the water bath until just set for silky custard every time. Make the caramel first so it has time to cool slightly before adding custard. Use medium heat and let sugar melt to a deep amber, watching closely to prevent bitterness. Once amber, remove from heat and pour a small amount into each ramekin, tilting them to spread a thin, even layer across the bottom. Cool the ramekins briefly so the caramel firms, but remains pourable when the custard is added. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support future recipes. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite as an easy way to access recipe books and notes while you cook. It's lightweight, bright, and perfect for sticky kitchen fingers compared to a phone or tablet. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Whisk eggs and sugar gently to avoid bubbles, then warm milk and vanilla before tempering to prevent curdling. Slowly add warm milk to eggs while whisking, strain the custard for a silky finish, and pour into caramel-lined ramekins. Place ramekins in a deep baking dish, add hot water to come halfway up the sides, and bake until the custard is just set with a slight wobble. Chill fully before unmolding for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.